Hi everyone, this is Alan Rosinski of Metro Manhattan Office Space. Often when you travel, you learn something. You go to a foreign city and there's a lot of interesting concepts frequently concerning real estate. Now, I happen to be visiting family in Europe now. I am in Paris, France. And I walk by this co-working laundromat cafe, and I've visited here before, and I've noticed it to be rather busy, and it's an unusual concept. It's a combination of a cafe and a laundromat. You can walk in, get some really good pastries. You can sit down, there's a lot of tables, and get some work done. You can go in during the day, just sit at the cafe, sit down on a table, bring your laptop, and bingo, you're in business. It's a co-working laundromat in effect. So there's plenty of seating here. It's actually relatively socially distanced. People aren't on top of each other. And you have the laundry machines back here. It's a nice facility. Actually, Shadi is the owner here. Hi, Shadi.
Hi, Alan.
When did you establish the business? It's a very interesting concept. We don't have the equivalent in New York.
Oh, thank you so much. So we had the idea like 3 years ago because we used to go to basic laundromats and there was nothing, no services, nothing to drink or to eat, and you still had to wait like 1 or 2 hours. So we decided that maybe laundromats should be more than what they are. So we did a lot of researches, we did a lot of work, and we come with this place, which I think is really amazing.
It's a great idea.
Everything is homemade, everything is vegan, and most of our ingredients are organic. And the best thing is that either the coffee shop part or the laundromat part, we are less expensive than other businesses in Paris.
So you're competitive.
Yeah,
in addition to offering more services,
yeah,
you're very competitive. It's a really nice presentation overall. You want to come in here. What was the landlord's reaction? Were they supportive? Were they your new business? Were they?
They were really happy with the concept, and they really believed in it. As a matter of fact, they wanted to invest.
Oh, really?
Yes, they wanted to. But we had done so much work for this to happen that we didn't want to give any parts.
Of course.
Yeah, we didn't want to share the concept, but they really believed in it, and that's why, because we are really young, we do not have experiences in dealing with this kind of businesses, but they still believed in us and gave us the location. So
Now, this is possible in France, in Paris, because the retail rents are considerably lower than they are in New York City. This sort of business, pre-COVID in Manhattan, probably wouldn't have been viable. But retail rents are on their way down. There's going to be a high level of vacancies, and the landlords are going to be looking for new tenants. And you'll have concepts, maybe like this, which will gradually fill up the empties in New York City. Certain ideas that we wouldn't have thought about that'll become economically viable as the rents are reduced. So I wanted to show my subscribers what wash-up looks like on the inside. It's an unusual idea. I would enjoy the idea of doing my laundry, having a nice snack, maybe bringing a book, bringing my laptop. It's a good idea. It's something you wouldn't really think about.